This is the Turf Equipment and Supply Company video update for May 2018. Are you having problems troubleshooting your golf irrigation system wiring? We track wire issues on all brands of systems, so let our service techs do the tracking for you. Each service tech on the team has the tools and experience needed to find the issues in low voltage wiring, solenoids, splicing issues, control power wires, and fan wiring. If you don't have the time or the tools needed to go alone, give our service technicians a call and schedule a service visit at your facility. Did you know that Turf Equipment and Supply Company is your supplier for fin sales, repairs, parts, and rental solutions? Call us for all your bark blowing, mulching, straw blowing, and hydro seeding needs this spring. Contact us to learn smarter ways to work with Fin. Everyone is looking to enjoy outdoor spaces after sunset, so now is a great time to talk to your customers about landscape lighting. Doing more than simply illuminate a landscape or structure, landscape lighting can add or extend living space, promote a safe environment, and create the wow factor that makes a statement and is inviting to people. If you are new to landscape lighting, we have a hands-on seminar scheduled for May 24th. Check out the events tab on our website for more details. As you look to plan your spring and summer equipment service, have you ever considered a service contract? Whether your needs are long or short term, we can work with you to develop a plan that supports your team's capabilities and budget. We have the right people to help you get the job done using planned maintenance and service management software. We proactively schedule service at your location and at times that are convenient to you. Contact us today to discuss the opportunity of a service agreement. Now available for the Toro MultiPro 5800, the all-new GeoLink is the industry's first turf-based precision spray system. Turf professionals benefit from substantial chemical savings thanks to single nozzle control and the available centimeter location accuracy. Reporting is simple with GeoLink. Application rates, coverage maps, area and volume data are easily downloaded for thorough record keeping. Call your territory manager today for more details. Ordering blades this month? During the month of May, buy 12 Toro blades and receive a free pair of Mechanix gloves. Call our parts department today to find the Toro blade that meets your needs. And that's the Turf Equipment and Supply Company video update for May 2018. Visit our website at www.turf-equipment.com for all our upcoming events, specials, and educational resources.